Okay, so we are Vapi Organic Chemicals. My name is Joshi. I take care of operations as a company. We are in India. We are in contract manufacturing since more than 50 years now, and we have been into this business. We started off with pharmaceuticals and API manufacturing, and we have eventually diversified ourselves into cleaning and hygiene range of products. Currently, we are doing cleaning hygiene as well as healthcare range of products. Oh well, being vocal, being social, is the best decision I think that I've made. Okay, so the growth, the way we are going out large, the way we are expanding ourselves, and the way we are able to deliver the results to our customers beyond their expectations is something which is driving us really great. Well, I would say the credibility, the dependency, and innovations that we do for our customers is something which has taken us much beyond their expectation. So we have been into two events of CMPL since the last year, one in Mumbai, one in Delhi, and let me tell you, both of them have been very meaningful, very helpful, and very fruitful for us. They have helped us, gain confidence, turn our businesses into what we are from where we were last year, and it is all visible. Oh, it is. I would say, to keep it very short, I would say it is like heart-to-heart discussions with our clients. I would. That's the best way I could. Excellent, I would say. Excellent and very fruitful. So I am going to explore the world of manufacturing. Is what came to my mind first.